Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and this is Lanzom's wide brim hat. It has this beautiful black strap that goes all around it. I really like this because this is adjustable. So the inside of it has Velcro and you can just pull that tighter or looser depending on how you want it to fit your head. I like the quality of this hat as well. It is not a lightweight hat that's going to blow off in that tropical breeze, but it is really a heavy duty hat. It's 90% paper straw and 10% polyester. So it's really held up nicely when I am outside, and it holds up nice to not just the weather, but wear and tear. And sometimes you have to throw your hat inside your luggage. This one has held up well. Even if it does get bent, it easily goes back to its shape by just lying it flat, which I really like. I would highly recommend this, whether it's for vacation or for your home or just as a fashion piece. This is a great buy, and I've actually already purchased a few other colors, so you can't go wrong with this beautiful hat, but that's just my point of view.